Hey guys, today I would like to show you an example on how to use AmpliTube 5 by IK Multimedia. Let's listen to what we have for this demonstration.
Nos reímos, lloramos, bailamos y nos amamos.
We're going to open AmpliTube 5. I'm going to load Green BA 250. I'm going to reduce 15K a little bit, also 1.3 and 2.6K, bit of body on those guitars. So I'm going to push 340 up and also 660. I'm also going to remove 40 and 80 Hertz and reduce 100 Hertz ever so slightly. I will also enable mid-cut pre-shaping. I'm going to increase my output to 5.5 and we're ready to listen to it.
Nos reímos, lloramos, bailamos.
Here is before.
Nos reímos, lloramos, bailamos y nos amamos.
After.
Nos reímos, lloramos, bailamos,
Try it and let me know what you think.
lloramos, bailamos y nos amamos.